Okay, quick victory lap here of the finally, after many years and many seasons, the reassembled Force 10 stove with the new propane setup out there on back. You can see got the regulator hooked to the solenoid with the new solenoid setup out there, and at the top there is you can see the pressure valve rating high pressure. And then back here underneath in the corner, that's the new Zintex switch. I will turn it on over here at the panel. It's on the circuit marked strobe, so that goes through and does a quick gas sense, and then we'll push this button to open up the tank. And then I'm going to have to do this, kind of hold this kind of awkwardly, but we will turn on one of the burners. I'm using the same hand to operate the oops. Gonna hold in the burner there for 5 seconds for the thermocouple to warm up enough that I can release it. Okay, all right, and let's try another one. All right. And that, as they say, means we're cooking with gas.